Nice one, Mom. I caught one. Nice one.
Good job.
Or you can do like me, you'll get almost to the water and you're like, ah, no. And you start reeling it in.
Ran hard.
Since you're fishing over here, you want to ooh, that's cold on my boo-boos.
You hung up already?
I'm coming out there, Daddy. Okie dokie.
Yep.
Right behind you. I'll try to. Thanks. That's my best tap today. Okay, back to weeding. We moved your thingy down here because we didn't want it to slide into the water.
What's that?
Whatever was sitting on the table.
Okay.
I mean, I have.
Look at here.
Nice one, Mom.
I caught one.
Good job,
That's a
baby.
nice one.
Good job.
I caught a rag.
All right.
I caught him, hooked him twice.
You did. Get my pliers out of there. It should be
I hooked a rag.
in that little zipper pouch right there on the lid.
On the lid.
Yeah,
Right
feel
here?
there. There we go.
Once you're done with that, I need to get unhooked from a rag, please.
She literally hooked a rag.
Lippy.
Nice one.
Good job, Mama.
They're all about the same size around here, aren't they?
Right.
Oh, did you hear that? They're cute. Do you hear them? These are gonna be bad pictures. Can I open this?
No. Hold on to
I am.